How to make your friend list completely private on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Once done, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to the menu option in your Facebook. Then scroll down, tap on the settings and privacy, then tap on the settings. Now, scroll down and look for the options audience visibility, then tap on the how can people find me or contact me option available there. Once there, you can see who can see your friend list option available. Simply tap on it. You will see options like public, friends, only me, custom. To make your friend list completely private, select only me, and this will ensure that no one else can view your friend list. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.